Let's check out the Keurig K130 single cup coffee maker. Pretty easy to use. Press to open right here. Got place cup, heating light, a brew button, as well as a power button down here. So we can hit that button right now. But directions are on the side in case you need them at all, but it's very simple to use. Press to open. Okay. Here's a coffee K cup that we used before. We'll put in a new one. We'll just close that back down, and this pops up with the water reservoir right here. So we're going to add water up to this fill line right here, just like that. Okay, and then all we'll do is close this back down. Now you get a blinking light saying place cup right here. Okay, once we set the cup in here, there's a sensor in here that helps see or feel the weight of the cup. So if you set any other smaller cup or whatever, it may not pick up that sensor. Anyway, press the brew button that's blinking in blue, and it's heating up, and it will now brew some coffee. Now after about 30 seconds or so, 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how long it needs to warm up the water, you're going to have freshly brewed coffee. And check this out, if we lift the cup up off the sensor, sometimes it stops. Okay, and it looks like we're done. So we can take this coffee off of here, and also check this out, you've got a bottom plate that can be removed for cleaning. You can remove that for cleaning, and you can put a bigger size cup in there, and here's the tray that you can remove. Now, one thing to note after it is done brewing is that all the lights and power all turn off by itself. This is the Keurig K130 single coffee cup maker.